Our journey begins with the star ingredient hazelnuts. Imagine vast orchards, sunlight dappling the leaves as ripe hazelnuts fall to the ground. These nuts are harvested and transported to the Nutella factory, ready for their transformation. Upon arrival, the hazelnuts are sorted and cleaned, ensuring only the finest make the cut. Next, the hazelnuts are roasted to perfection. This crucial step unlocks their natural oils and intensifies their flavor. The aroma of toasted hazelnuts fills the air, a tantalizing preview of the deliciousness to come. The roaster plays a vital role in this process. It's a large, rotating drum that evenly heats the hazelnuts, ensuring they achieve that perfect golden brown hue. The roasting time and temperature are carefully controlled to achieve the optimal flavor and texture. Once roasted, the hazelnuts are cooled and ready for the next stage of their Nutella journey, where they'll be combined with other key ingredients. With the aroma of roasted hazelnuts still lingering in the air, we move on to the next step, adding sugar. Sugar is a crucial ingredient in Nutella, providing sweetness and contributing to the spread's smooth, creamy texture. The sugar used in Nutella is finely granulated to ensure it dissolves easily during the mixing process. It's stored in massive silos, towering structures that hold tons of sugar. From these silos, sugar is carefully measured and transported to giant mixing vats. As the sugar cascades into the vats, it joins the roasted hazelnuts, their flavors beginning to meld. The precise ratio of sugar to hazelnuts is a closely guarded secret, but the result is a perfect balance of nutty and sweet. The mixture is then blended until the sugar is evenly distributed, creating a base for the chocolate to come. This sweet and nutty blend is already tempting, but the best is yet to come. No Nutella journey would be complete without the addition of chocolate. This beloved ingredient adds richness, depth, and of course, that irresistible chocolatey flavor. Nutella uses cocoa powder, a pure and intense form of chocolate. The cocoa powder is first mixed with vegetable oil to create a smooth, liquid chocolate. This mixture is then heated in a massive machine aptly named the chocolate melter. The chocolate melter is a sight to behold, with its gleaming stainless steel and intricate network of pipes. It gently heats the chocolate mixture to the perfect temperature, ensuring it's fluid and ready to blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. As the melted chocolate flows from the melter, it joins the hazelnut and sugar mixture in the mixing vat. The aroma of chocolate intertwines with the toasted hazelnut scent, creating a truly intoxicating fragrance within the factory. We've witnessed the journey of hazelnuts, sugar and chocolate in the Nutella factory. Now let's take a closer look at these key ingredients. Hazelnuts. These delightful nuts are the heart of Nutella. They provide a unique flavor and aroma. Sugar adds sweetness and helps create Nutella's smooth consistency. Cocoa powder. This is where the chocolate magic happens. It provides Nutella's rich chocolate flavor. Milk powder, it adds creaminess and enhances the flavor. Vegetable oil. Typically palm oil, it creates Nutella's creamy texture. Nutella's manufacturer is committed to sourcing sustainable palm oil. Section 5. The roaster unveiling the nutty essence. The roaster is a workhorse in the Nutella factory, responsible for transforming ordinary hazelnuts into flavor powerhouses. It's a large cylindrical drum, often made of stainless steel, that rotates slowly, ensuring the hazelnuts are evenly heated. Think of it like a giant clothes dryer for hazelnuts. As the drum rotates, hot air circulates through the hazelnuts, roasting them to perfection. The roaster's temperature and roasting time are carefully controlled to achieve the desired level of doneness. The roasting process is crucial for several reasons. First, it brings out the natural oils in the hazelnuts, intensifying their flavor and aroma. Second, roasting helps to develop a slightly crunchy texture, adding complexity to Nutella's overall mouthfeel. The roaster is a symphony of sound and motion, the rhythmic tumbling of hazelnuts accompanied by the whirring of motors and the whoosh of hot air. It's a testament to the precision and care that goes into creating every jar of Nutella. Section 6. The sugar silo, a sweet cascade. Towering above the factory floor, the sugar silo stands as a testament to Nutella's sweet side. This massive storage unit holds tons of sugar, ready to be incorporated into the spread. The sugar silo is a marvel of engineering designed for both storage and efficient dispensing. Imagine a giant cylinder, often made of stainless steel, with a conical bottom that allows for controlled flow of the sugar. Inside the silo, sugar is kept dry and free-flowing, thanks to carefully controlled temperature and humidity levels. When it's time to add sugar to the Nutella mix, a system of augers and conveyors transports the precise amount from the silo to the mixing vats. The journey of sugar from silo to mixing vat is a mesmerizing sight. It cascades like a waterfall, a seemingly endless stream of sweetness. The sugar silo plays a crucial role in ensuring a consistent supply of this key ingredient, keeping the Nutella production line running smoothly. Section 7. The chocolate melter, a symphony of smoothness. No Nutella factory would be complete without the chocolate melter, a machine that transforms solid cocoa powder into a river of liquid chocolate ready to be blended with the other ingredients. The chocolate melter is a marvel of engineering, typically made of stainless steel to withstand the high temperatures and constant use. It consists of a series of heated tanks and pipes designed to melt and maintain the chocolate at the perfect temperature. The process begins with cocoa powder being mixed with vegetable oil to create a smooth paste. This paste is then pumped into the chocolate melter, where it's gently heated and agitated to ensure even melting and prevent scorching. The chocolate melter is a symphony of sound and motion, with the whirring of pumps, the gentle bubbling of the melting chocolate, and the hiss of steam escaping from vents. It's here that the chocolate truly comes to life, its rich aroma filling the air and hinting at the deliciousness to come. Section 8. The creamy confluence blending the ingredients. With the hazelnuts roasted, the sugar measured, and the chocolate melted, it's time for these key ingredients to come together in a creamy confluence. This is where the magic truly happens, where individual components transform into the spread we know and love. The blending process takes place in gigantic mixing vats, often equipped with powerful paddles or blades that ensure thorough incorporation of all the ingredients. The roasted hazelnuts, sugar, melted chocolate, milk powder, and vegetable oil are carefully added to the vats according to a precise recipe. The mixing process is a delicate dance requiring careful timing and monitoring. The ingredients are blended at a controlled speed and temperature to achieve the desired consistency and prevent any separation or grainy texture. As the ingredients blend, they release their flavors and aromas, filling the factory with an irresistible scent. The mixture gradually transforms into a smooth, homogeneous cream, its color deepening to a rich, chocolatey brown. Section 9. From factory to jar, the packaging process. The journey from factory to jar is a testament to efficiency and precision, ensuring every jar of Nutella is filled and sealed to perfection. Once the Nutella mixture achieves its creamy consistency, it's transported to the packaging line. Automated machines fill, seal, and label the jars in perfect synchronization. Empty glass jars are conveyed to the filling station. Precisely measured amounts of Nutella are dispensed into each jar. Jars move to the sealing station, where lids are securely fastened. Sealed jars proceed to the labeling station. Finally, labeled jars are packed into boxes and prepared for shipping. The entire packaging process is a marvel of automation, showcasing Nutella's global production efficiency. Section 10, ready for your spoon. Enjoying Nutella's goodness. Our journey through the Nutella factory culminates in the moment you've been waiting for, that first delicious bite. With its irresistible combination of roasted hazelnuts, creamy chocolate, and touch of sweetness, Nutella has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. Whether you enjoy it spread on toast, as a topping for pancakes and waffles, or simply savor it straight from the jar, Nutella has a way of transforming ordinary moments into something extraordinary. Nutella's versatility knows no bounds. It can be incorporated into countless recipes, from cakes and cookies to cheesecakes and mousses. Its unique flavor profile adds a touch of indulgence to any dish. So the next time you open a jar of Nutella, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the hazelnut orchards to the factory floor, countless hands and machines have worked tirelessly to bring you this beloved spread. Enjoy every creamy, chocolatey, hazelnutty bite.